Hey everybody, welcome. I am Taylor Perry with Van Dyke Mortgage. This is Matt Collins with eXp Realty. Today we're going to talk about for sale by owner. In the market that we're in today, do you really need a real estate agent? I mean, can't you just put it on the market and save some money? Because why pad your pocket? Let's put the money in my own pocket, right?
That is a very fair question, and in today's market, you're 100% right. You can put a sign in the yard and have offers on it later this afternoon.
There you go. So
Well, and at the end of the day, you're going to lose money by selling it on your own, and it's just the facts. So our team alone, on average this year, we're selling homes at about 121% of asking price. And so what that means is, as a for sale by owner, you're more likely to accept the first offer that comes through. It may be at your asking price. It might even be a touch below. And you may look at it and say, but I'm going to save the realtor fees if I sell it on my own.
I don't want to pay you 6%.
That's correct. And most of the time, you're already going to pay 3% to the buyer's agent.
That's true.
More than likely, it's a licensed real estate agent who's finding the home for their client. So of course, you're going to pay for their time. So you look at it and say, but I don't want to spend the extra 3%. But I'm going to sell it for 20% more than what you were asking for. So now it's just basic math, right? You're going to pay me 3, but I'm going to make you 20. Do you want the extra 17% or not? Right? And so really at the end of the day, that's it. Now we can talk about convenience.
Of course.
We can talk about how our team takes care of everything from start to finish, all the necessary paperwork, all the necessary inspections and everything else. But at the end of the day, you're actually going to net more when you list with a licensed agent than you will trying to sell it on your own.
It's true. Personal experience. It is absolutely true. I know plenty of people who've battled through it, and you really do get a better experience and more money in your pocket at the end of the day.
There is a real value there.
There is.
Right. Well, I hope you guys found this one helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on the channel, and until next time.